Hi everyone, today in front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy A33 smartphone, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 tips for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first tip is the fact that you can set up the biometrical data as your unlock method, or to be particular, your fingerprint and face. In order to access this feature, open up the Settings app. Here look for the Biometrics and Security, and as you will see, there is the face recognition section and fingerprint section. Let's go ahead and set up our fingerprints first. Press on continue. The system will require you to set up the backup unlock method from the list of pattern, PIN or password. I'll go with pattern. And now we can go ahead and start enrolling our fingerprint. Just lane left. Slightly change the positioning of your fingerprint each time you lift it to the sensor. Make sure that the entire surface of your fingerprint is being scanned. Don't forget to put some force. Don't be afraid to put some force. And as you can see, our fingerprint has been successfully added. Let's try it out. Great success. Next, I'll go ahead and quickly enable the face recognition as well. In order to do that, you just gotta place your face into the circles, or should I say sphere frame that will appear. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Alright, so my face has been successfully scanned, and let's try it out. Alright, as you can see, the lock icon on top of the display is being successfully opened, which means that the phone and the system recognizes my face without any issues. So we are moving on to the next tip, which is the fact that you can change the screen refresh rate on this device. In order to access the setting, just go to the Settings app, Display, and here look for the Motion Smoothness feature. Here we have two values to choose from. We can either go with the high screen refresh rate of 90 Hz and get smoother animations and scrolling experience, or go with the standard refresh rate of 60 Hz and get the longer battery life. Next tip is the fact that you can enable the flash notifications on this device, either from the flashlight on the back part of the smartphone or like the screen flash. In order to access the setting, look for the accessibility category. Go to Advanced Settings, and here at the Notifications category, choose the Flash Notification. As you can see, we can enable Camera Flash Notification, so let's preview it. Just a second. As you can see, once enabled, it will make the flashlight on the back of your device to blink each time you receive the notification, or screen flash notification can be enabled as well and will look like this. The next tip is the fact that you can hide any chosen app without having to necessarily delete it. In order to access the setting, go for the home screen setting either from the Settings app directly, or by making the shrink and swipe on any vacant space you have on any of your home screens. Go to the Settings, and here tap on the Hide Apps section. So let's say, for example, you are preparing for some exam and you don't want to see the Facebook icon distracting you. As you can see now, the Facebook icon is located right here. So once we hide it, the Facebook, it will not appear neither at the drawer nor at the home screen, nor at the search. As you can see, it has disappeared from here. If we'll try to find it, we will not find the app itself, only its settings. And basically that means that the app is not removed or deleted. It only means that it is hidden. In order to make the application visible again, just go to the same section of settings, hide apps. Choose this app, tap on this app when it's on the hidden apps section, press on done, and as you will see now, it will become visible again. And the fifth and final tip for this video is how you can pin certain scenarios and actions on the power button on the side key of your device. In order to access mentioned settings, you gotta look for the advanced features category, tap on it. Here, go for side key, and here, as you can see, we can either enable or disable double press function. For example, we can select the quick launch camera, so once we double press power button, it will launch the camera. Or open some particular app, for example, let it be Maps. There is also the opportunity to choose what scenario will happen after we press and hold. Right now it is set at Wake Bixby, so let's try it out. Create success. Or we can make so that the side key, while we press and hold the side key, the power button, it will call for the power off menu. So let's try it out. Yep, great success as well. Alright, so that was it, not only for the final tip, but for this video in general. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!